With the angler, it's effortless, so you're just guiding the fish tape through the pipe. It was really easy to pull around those bends, especially with the help of the brushless motor. It's adding to the strength of you pulling back on it. It takes up power of 2 men.
A lot of times on a long pull, we can't physically push it in, or you have to have help. With this thing feeding it through on itself, it's great. Time is money. It's a lot faster.
Pushing a fish tape all day, especially if you're going overhead, it takes a lot out of you. The auto fish tape really makes it easier.
There's no mess with that fish tape laying on the floor.
The longer the run, you want the long drum in there. When you're pulling 100 feet or less, you could change out to the shorter runs, and it makes the job that much more easy.
A neater install, less mess, and it makes it faster to move on to the next pull.